formerly an indoor person. So I decided to change since I'm having a lot of problems like socializing. So I have a poor socialization, which makes me always clash with other people. So that's why I decided to change this habit of going outside more often. If people would say that I'm actually a party person, if only I always often go to the party, but that's not the case. The case is not the party, but I used to sit in a coffee shop very often because actually there's something about me that makes me actually an inner person. Formerly, I was, but not until this day. I was. What is that? How do I say? Kind of like an introvert person.
Oh,
Yeah.
introvert.
Never heard of that?
Yeah.
Yes, an introvert person.
Yeah.
So I was having a huge crush on one of my crush at middle high school, but she rejects me because of me having lack of social sense. I was having a poor social sense, social issues, something like that. So that's what made me want to change. So I decided to change from indoor to outside door person. So not only sitting myself inside the coffee all day, but I also like to go into the wilderness. Yes, like hiking or maybe trekking or maybe strolling the town using my motorcycle with my ears plugged with my earphone. It's very enjoyable. For me, it's a very reliving moment. Okay, that's all. Any questions?